Welcome back to Just Kiwis DIYs. I am back with another tutorial on how to make 3 beautiful designs with charger plates. And if you want to see how I make them, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with my latest videos. This is my first design. All the materials that I will be using will be listed down below. I have these shower curtain rods that I am going to, not rods, shower curtain little rings that I'm going to be putting around the charger plates and gluing them down. I got my handy E6000 and my hot glue gun to get this job done. Okay, I have these fruit picks that I'm just going to put on top of the rings. Right now I'm just arranging them to see how I would like them, kind of like what style I would like them in. And then from there, just glue them on. Don't mind the floating crackers. That's my twin down there. He wants some crackers, so I had to give him some before I continued on. Now, I will be using these Mardi Gras white beads around the surface only because my mirror that I bought is like a 7-inch mirror and it does not fit in the middle of the charger plate. So you can do that if you like, or you can just leave it how, just not with the beads. But I decided just to put the beads in the middle. This is the final look of it. So now on to spray painting. Just spray paint it any color you like. I'm choosing silver because that's what I had handy. The final thing to do once it's all nice and dry is to glue that mirror on there, and then you have a wonderful decorative high-end look charger plate. The second design is just Mardi Gras beads only. I chose to do white this time because I did something similar to this before. I'll put the link above, and it was too colorful, and when I went to go spray paint, I had to do too many coats. So just watch me work, just put them all around, guys. These did take a while to do, so just be patient and just take your time with it. This is what it will look like once you're all finished before the spray paint and mirror. Last design, which is my favorite design, I'm going to be using these crystal dazzlers and decorating it all around the charger plate. I did end up using the Mardi Gras beads around the middle again, but I ended up taking it off at the end because I couldn't fit my mirror. There's no particular order to put these in. Whatever one I picked up, I just try to fit it in. I thought the last design was long. This one was long, like really long. But just take your time with it because it'll be worth it in the end. Y'all still with me? Almost done, halfway there. And here she is. Ain't it beautiful, guys? I don't even have the mirror on and it still looks bomb. But let me know if you guys try any other projects. Put the pictures down below in the comments. And like I always say, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it. Thank you for watching my channel.